Hey there, fruit lovers! Have you ever wondered what makes pineapples so special? Today, we're diving into the world of this spiky, juicy, tropical delight. Get ready for some surprising nutrition facts and fun tidbits you probably didn't know. First off, did you know that a pineapple isn't just one fruit? That's right, it's actually a cluster of small berries fused together around a central core. Pretty cool, huh? Now let's talk nutrition. Pineapples are packed with goodness, and in just 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, about 165 grams, you get more than 100% of your daily need for vitamin C, a big boost of manganese to keep your bones strong, plenty of fiber to support digestion, and bromelain, a natural enzyme that helps break down proteins and reduces inflammation. Eating pineapple comes with some amazing health perks, including boosting your immune system, supporting digestion, helping with post-workout recovery, and keeping your skin healthy and glowing. Now for the fun part. Pineapples take about 2 years to fully grow, which is a long wait for something so delicious. The name pineapple comes from its resemblance to a pine cone. And if you've ever wanted to grow your own, just cut off the crown, plant it in soil, and with some patience, you might have your own pineapple plant. When choosing a pineapple, remember to smell it. A ripe pineapple should have a sweet aroma. Check the color. A golden yellow pineapple is usually ripe. And try pulling a leaf from the top. If it comes out easily, it's ready to eat. And that's a wrap! Pineapples are not only delicious, but also super nutritious and full of fun surprises. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to share this with your fellow fruit lovers. See you next time!